want to find the value of k, given that you have k dot k dot k plus k equals 30. Then from here, let's do this as k times k will be k squared dot k plus k to be equals 30. Then from here as well, k squared multiplied by k will give us k to the power of 3 plus k. Let's take this one to this side to be minus 30. Then we should let everything equal 0. Then from here, we can have this as k to the power of 3 plus k. We can express minus 30 as minus 27, then minus 3 to be equal 0. Minus 27 minus 3 will give us minus 30. Let's group this and this together. We have k to the power of 3 minus 27 plus this k, then minus this 3 to be equals 0. Let's have 27 in base 3 as k to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 as this, then plus k minus 3 as this, then we should let everything equal 0. Then from here, when we recall from difference of 2 cube, when you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, we always have this to be equals a minus b, then multiply by a square plus ab plus b square as this. So by applying it here, it implies that we are going to have this as k minus 3, then multiply by our a square, because from here our a is k, our b is 3. Then we are going to have this to be equals k square, then plus 3k plus b square will be 3 square will be 9, then plus k minus 3, close it, then equals 0. So everything equals what? 0. Then from here, k minus 3 is common. We can factor it out as, so we have it as k minus 3. Then we have the whole of this divided by k minus 3. We only have this as k square plus 3k plus 9. This divided by this, we have it to be plus 1. We have everything to be equals 0. Then from here, we have our k minus 3 to be equal 0, or we have k square plus 3k, 9 plus 1 will be plus 10 to be equal 0. For this expression to be equal 0, it's either this equals 0 or this equals 0. Then from here, it implies that our k will equals 3. That's the first solution. Then from here, we can also get the value of k by using k to be equals quadratic formula as minus b, then positive or negative roots of b square minus 4ac, then divided by 2a. So by using this formula, we must know that our a is the coefficient of k squared, which equals 1. Then our b is the coefficient of k, which equals 3, where our c is the constant value that we have, 10. Now let's plug everything here and see what will happen. So from here, we are going to have our k to be equals, already we have minus b, then our b equals 3, so definitely here will be minus 3, then positive or negative roots of, then minus 3, because we have b square here, then 3 square will be 9 minus 4 multiplied by our a equals 1, then our c equals 10. So divided by 2 multiplied by a is 1. We have here to be 2. Then we have our k to be equals minus 3, positive or negative, root of 9. 4 times 1 times 10 will be minus 40. Then divided by 2. So we have it to be k equals minus 3, positive or negative, root of 9 minus 40 will be minus 31, then divided by 2. We can simply express this as minus 3, positive or negative, root of 31 multiplied by root of minus 1, then all divided by 2. We can simplify this as this. Then we have our k to be equals minus 3, positive or negative, root of 31. But when you have root of minus 1 in complex number equals I, so we have it to be multiplied by I, then divided by 2. So we can declare finally that we have k1 to be equals 3. Then we can declare that we have k2 to be equals from here minus 3. Then let's take plus to be plus root of 31I divided by 2. Then we also have our k3 to be equals minus 3 minus root of 31I, then all divided by 2. So mind you that this and this, k2 and k3, are complex solution. But y k1 is real solution. So we can test for the real solution and see if the left and the right hand side of the problem will be equal. So we have k dot k plus k that give us 30. Then when k equals 3, let's see what will happen. So we are going to have 3 dot 3 dot 3, then plus 3. So it's going to give us 30. Then from here we have it to be 3 times 3 will be 9. 9 times 3 will be equals 27 plus 3, which equivalent to 30. Because 27 plus 3 will give us 30 equals 30. So therefore, k equals minus 3, sorry, k equals 3 is true for this problem. Why this also true? You can test for this. Bye bye.